Hey there, Kathy Olson here of Love Inspired, love-inspired.com, and this week is part 3 in our series talking about how to plan your website design, and we're specifically talking about pages today and how to make your about page awesome. If you haven't already watched the other videos in this series, make sure you check those out. Because in the other videos, we kind of go over what's your overall plan for your website and how these pieces fit together. So now we've made it to the about page. And you think, oh, the about page, this is so easy. I just talk about myself the whole time. No, totally wrong. Actually, totally wrong. The about page is actually about them. I know. We're all so selfish and we just all want to, but think about it. This whole entire website's not for you. This website's for them. So every single page, just get over it. Every single page is about them, including the about page. So your main goals for your about page is to identify their problem and convey your approach to solving it. So yes, it's kind of about you. It's sort of about you, but really it's more about how you can help them and why you are qualified to help them. So number 1, identify their problem and say what your approach to it will be. So once you've identified what their problem is, what they're struggling with, and how you fix it, what's your approach is to fixing it, and maybe it might be even a little bit controversial of approach, because that will really stand out, what actually qualifies you to help them? And what is it that you do to actually help? So this is where we do want your personality to really get infused in everything you're saying. I think an about page is actually one of the places that can be most like you, most casual, most personal, because this is where they are actually looking to create a connection with you. The second thing you want to do is what qualifies you to help them, and you want to start creating some personal connection points. If you love dogs, if you're a mom, if you like candy, whatever it is, if you like seafood, if you like pina coladas and getting caught in the rain, these are the things that your prospective clients and customers want to connect with you on. Because you want to break down the barriers, you want them to trust you, you want to start building that rapport, that kind of personal connection with them. And the third thing that you need on your about page to make it awesome is that you want to start building a value expectation. So what I mean by building a value expectation is you want to start competing on value and not price. Here in the about section, you should start talking about what their life would be like, how it would be different, what are those non-tangible wins, those successes that you create with your product or your service that will make it so that money is not really the issue anymore. You're just saying why what you do is so valuable and so amazing, so that we're starting the conversation about it being more about the value and not the actual cost. You're building up an expectation of quality here. So it's really cool to kind of close with that on an about page so that you're kind of leading them into the next step, which is they'll probably either be going to your services page or like a portfolio page from here. So you want to start creating that value, that setup of value. So those are the things that make an about page amazing and so awesome. I've created a cool free download for you called the Website Content Roadmap. Head to loveins.co/roadmap. It has a breakdown of all the different pages for all the different types of, and also what the strategy should be on each type of page. And make sure you join us next week where I will be talking about the services page. This is a big one and I can't wait to share it with you. Thanks so much, guys.